Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. Today we're talking about LipoLess, and honestly, it feels more like a marketing tactic than a proven solution. The promotion usually teases some kind of simple recipe or secret formula, but they never actually reveal what it is. Instead, the page is filled with emotional stories, dramatic before and after photos, and a lot of urgency to buy, which can feel pretty pushy. Another concern is the questionable endorsements. Some ads appear to use images of doctors or celebrities, but there's no clear evidence they actually support the product. On top of that, the ingredient list isn't clearly explained, and there aren't any solid independent studies backing up the claims. When you look at customer feedback, many people say they didn't see noticeable results. There are also complaints about unauthorized charges and difficulties getting refunds. Some of the 5-star reviews look suspicious too, with what appear to be stock photos or overly generic testimonials. Overall, it comes across as overhyped and unreliable. That doesn't automatically mean everyone will have a bad experience, but it's definitely something to approach carefully. If you're still curious and want to try it, that's your decision. Just make sure to use a secure payment method and don't expect miracles. Whenever something promises drastic results with little effort, that's usually a red flag. Thanks for watching One More Guru. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more honest product reviews.